course, during finals, showcase mo yung ano mo, yung totoong ikaw.
Yes po.
So, pwede ba namin makita? Okay lang ba?
Of course!
Of course. Oo, okay. Miss Christine Ligacion, our
Yes,
winner of
po.
Mrs. Category of I Am Model Search.
Wait lang. Patayin siya yung crown. Tapos after yung crown, siya na magpapalo.
So request.
This is how I look like with the wig, but without. And this is my winning look.
Yes,
With a winning gown.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah. So my advocacy
Yeah.
really is to create empowerment, to push empowerment, even if, because I know all of us have, meron tayong insecurities because of our physical imperfections, but nothing and no one can actually stop us if you are serious about chasing your dreams. And when I went to Kuala Lumpur, I was just simply chasing my dreams, but I wanted to be myself. So I took my wig off. This is me. We can be bold, we can be brave, and we can achieve anything.
Yes! Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you so much. How you put it on.
Yeah.
I've been wearing wigs since I think I was 16 or 17. So I can put it on kahit natutulog na lang. Kabisado ko yan.
And diyan ka nag-work nga sa company ng
Wait.
What's the name of company?
Alright, so once again, Miss Christine. So, what was the reaction of your parents when you joined this competition and after winning the crown?
Actually, my parents are very supportive of what I really wanted to do in life. At first, they didn't want me modeling the wigs because it entails me taking it off and then putting it back on again. They didn't want the public to see me at my weakest because they think pag wala akong buhok, yun yung weakest ko. But actually, it's the opposite. Pag wala akong hair, parang yun yung strongest ko. But my family didn't want me to be doing that initially. But after some time, nung nakita nila na happy ako sa ginagawa ko and that I'm able to help other people by serving me as an inspiration, naging mas supportive pa sila sa akin. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing. How about you?
Much for taking the time to come here and have some moment with me and Raisa, and it's really an honor to be interviewed by the pageant media. This is a dream na natupad na because before nakikita ko lang kayo sa Facebook, pero ngayon kino-cover nyo na kami. So thank you so much po, and I'd like to introduce myself again. I'm Christine Ligacion, and I'm the winner of the Mrs. category for I Am Model Search Miss and Mrs. International 2026. Fun fact about me, I just came from work. So straight from work po ako. But again, thank you so much. I'm really very happy to be here and to be able to talk to all of you.
Yung mga categories, I Am Model Search. So, kung titignan ko, parang modeling lang ba ito? So, ano po ba yung mga categories during competition? Meron po ba itong swimsuit, national costume? Can you tell us more about during the final competition po? Ano po ba yung mga pinaglabanan ninyo? May Q&A din ba? Yeah.
During the final night, there were 3 rounds. So the first round was the traditional Malaysian costume. So each one of the candidates were given a set, like a terno, yung top, at saka something like a sarong or a skirt, and we were asked to wear that for the first round. And then the second round is high fashion, black and yellow. And then which Raisa won in that round. And then the third one is the royal blue royal blue gown. So the ones we're wearing now are our winning gowns, and thank you so much to our designers, Emmanuel Subihano. Sir Noy, maraming salamat po. Napakaganda po na inyong creation. And
Gerald, yeah.
I just always try to remember, I do my best to remember Mama Francis' reminder to just enjoy every moment. So, during the competition, from day 1 until the coronation or yung pag-give ng crown sa akin, ini-enjoy ko lang talaga each and every moment. Kasi I think life is short eh. I just lost my husband 3 months ago, and doon ko na-realize na sana pala mas na-realize ko yun ng mas maaga to just enjoy every moment and to live your best. And yun yung ginawa ko during the competition. And yung handbook, when it was sent to us by the organizers, I printed it out, and on every page, I actually wrote dun sa top, nilagyan ko ng note na God is the center of everything. So I was actually praying sa bawat isang step na tinake ko during the pageant, but I wasn't really like nag-expect, kasi masakit naman because masakit pag hindi mo nakuha. I mean, we are all human, so pag hindi mo nakuha yung in-expect mo, masasaktan ka. But you have to be humble enough na maraming mga candidates na maraming mas maganda, mas may budget, mas matalino. So yun lang po palagi yung nasa isip ko. I'm just gonna do my best, enjoy every moment, and if it's God's will, mapupunta yun sa'yo. Because if it's not for you naman din, whatever you do, hindi rin yun mapupunta sa'yo. So yun po, I thank Mama Franz for the reminder, and also God for, you know, for giving me and Raisa this opportunity to be crowned as the main winners, because I think God has purpose. There's a reason. I think meron kaming purpose dalawa, and that is to inspire the world.
Thank you so much for this
Ako pala si May Alonso.
Or part ng pageant, aside syempre sa crowning mo. At sino yung mga closest mo naman or candidates?
Pinaka-memorable was, I think, second, third, and fourth day. Yun yung, I mean, the fifth day of the competition. Kasi syempre yung first day, medyo nag-warm up pa, medyo we're trying to get to know each other better. And sobrang busy namin kasi we were trying to settle because almost all of us kakagaling lang from the airport, fresh from the airport. So lahat kami medyo pagod-pagod. So the first day was like just a warm-up for all of us. And also, just like Raisa, I'm also a very introverted person. But I can actually adjust easily to the situation. So if the situation calls for me to be like hikay or mas maingay than usual, I can do it. And I was able to let out that part of me during the second hanggang dun sa last na day na po ng competition. And I really enjoyed the part wherein all of us were on the bus, and then nag-tour kami sa Kuala Lumpur. It was really special for me because it was also my first time in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I got to know the candidates better, that even if we are competing against each other, nandun po kasi yung sisterhood. Like yung mga fans kasi di ba minsan pinag-aaway nila yung Thailand at saka Philippines. But when you're there, sobrang bait pala nila. Sobrang bait pala ni Thailand, sobrang bait pala ni Indonesia. So, it's just a healthy competition between all of us. And yun po yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko. And now all of us, all 10 of us are still talking to each other. We now have a group chat. So we know that if we go to each other's country, there's like a friend or several friends that we can actually call and, you know, ask kung pwede ba kami matulog na lang sa bahay nila para tipid sa hotel. So nakakatuwa yung ganun part. Yung sisterhood, the friendship, the bonds that form. Yun po.
International pageant po, tama ba?
Yes po. The first one was last year
Last year.
in Singapore.
Okay. No need to mention that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And first time, Miss Raisa. So, doing pageants and competing and representing the Philippines internationally, what was the best learning experience that you had when you competed?
akong sumali. But I came a little bit unprepared. So the gowns were, I rented the gowns. In fairness, there are beautiful gowns naman, but I think if I had a little bit more budget and a little bit more time for preparation, the gowns could have been better, my outfits could have been better. And Mama Franz knows kung ano yung sinuot ko na Philippine national costume that time para akong yung nasa foundation day ng mga schools. Because I bought the terno sa public market ng Antipolo because I was really not prepared at that time. So, yun po yung natutunan ko. Dapat may preparation and it really helps if you have a handler. So, yun po. I am very happy that Mama Friends actually put me in as one of his alaga. So, ngayon, feel ko talaga na nagpa-pageant ako because of Mama Friends. So, I think that's also one of the things that I will advise to other women or other people po na gusto pong mag-pageant. It's very important na meron pong support system, merong handler, merong team. Kung kaya naman ng budget, why not? Because it will help us to actually reach our goal, which is the crown. And of course, enjoy every moment lang.
Crown and title to be of good service to your community.
My advocacy for the alopecia community has actually been existing before the title and the crown. And my plan is to just continue it now that I have a much bigger platform, now that I have the crown and the sash, then I will be using this platform to actually create awareness, not only here in the Philippines, but internationally. And I'm really very excited about that. I have already some upcoming projects, like in a few weeks from now, I'll be attending a book launch event because book author here in the Philippines, Eric Ruiz Rojas, actually wrote a book about kids with alopecia. And I will be attending that. I will be showing them that, hey, I have a crown and a sash, and you can be anything you want as long as you won't stop your physical imperfections to be a hindrance to what you want to achieve in life. And sometimes hindi din talaga yung physical imperfections because everyone naman hindi naman talaga perfect. Lahat may kapintasan, but we should not let other people, yung mga sinasabi nila at yung isip nila sa atin to be a hindrance sa mga gusto natin gawin. Because we cannot control other people They can say and think anything about us, but if we let them affect us, then I don't think that's being confident enough. So that's where I'm gonna use my crown, my title, and my sash to promote empowerment, confidence, and this is only not for my alopecia community, but for all the widows, yung mga nabiyuda, kasi medyo syempre mabigat po sa kanila na nawala yung mga asawa nila. So I'm actually creating some projects already so I can reach out also to the widows, not only here in the Philippines, but in other countries as well. And hopefully, with the I Am Model Search platform, I can, create projects, create activities wherein every widow and every alopecia warrior can have a safe space wherein they will feel safe, loved, and valued.
Ayan. Sabi nga nila, it takes a village to reach one's goal, or it takes a village to get crown. So kasama ng iyong national director, si Mama Mars Franz, Ivan, sino pa yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan na nakatulong sa iyo in your journey to the crown?
Yes po. I also want to thank the designers of our gowns, si Sir Alfonso Emmanuel Subihano, si Sir Gus Villa, also yung team ko ni Miss Raisa, because they were also very kind enough to do my makeup and hair. Also, my company, the company where I work po, Wigs Philippines by Heads and Heads by Volumen, because they have been very supportive of all my projects, what I wanted to do, that even if it meant me being away for a week or so, and I would be leaving some of my work tasks, they still allowed me to do it because they know that I will be happy and that I will be able to expand my advocacy pa. And of course, my family, they have been very supportive since the very beginning. Before joining international pageants, I was actually actually trying na. I joined Century Tuna Superboss Ageless 3 times. But of course, hindi naman din ako yung gano'n ka-sexy. I have fats here, so hindi talaga tayo pumapasa sa Century Tuna. But I'd say that all those 3 years na nag-join ako ng Century Tuna, na ano din yung na-raise din yung confidence ko, na-boost din yung confidence ko. So thank you also to Century Tuna for creating a space also for married women like me and those na hindi naman talaga like beauty queen material, because there is a venue for us to still showcase what we got. And then, who else do I want to thank? Everyone who actually supported me, and my late husband. I know he's here. Did you watch? Baka nandito siya, love, if you're there, I really miss you.
Maramdam ka. Maramdam ka ngayon. Sumapi ka kay Anton.
So yun po. And also kay Rai, nakakatawa po nun kasi pareho kang introverted in nature. So when we first saw each other sa Terminal 1, sa NAIA, we were looking each other the eye, pero hindi kayo masyadong nagpansinan kasi nahihiya kami sa isa't isa. And then habang tumatagal yung competition, we had more chance to actually talk to each other, and we discovered that we are very much the same in nature. So kaya pala hindi kami masyado nagpapansinan. Kasi nag-iiwasan kami yung mga mata namin. Parang gano'n. Masyadong nahihiyain. Pero nakakatuwa po na kahit pala yung mga introverted, masyadong mahihiyain. As long as you have a goal, you have an advocacy to push, kaya pala namin na mag-rise.
Kanin, rice.